everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, April 1st, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, a candle that's made a higher high but a lower low, therefore no change of trend to the upside. In bar chart terms, it's an outside day. A black body candle, and that does suggest that there is good potential for a change of trend to the downside, and a day where the sellers have found some strong downside momentum, and we haven't seen this kind of momentum from the sellers for perhaps the previous week. We saw some indecisive candles and some bullish white body candles. And today the sellers have made a decent amount of net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. The sellers have managed to close the market down between the midpoint level and the low, suggesting that they've also taken control of this market, but they did lose some commitment as the market was testing around this 1560 down to 1555 level of support, previous resistance area, and now tends to be holding a support. So very, very strong support just below where the market's trading. We also have the Tenkan-sen trading just below that 1555 level as well. So very, very strong support for this market. But this bearish candle is almost a bearish engulfing pattern. Not quite, because we're just 0.1 of a point down below where the previous trading session closed. The open was just below there, but the sentiment is the same. We have a white body candle in an uptrend. Today's candle has pretty much engulfed the body of the previous candle and a black body candle, and it does suggest a strong potential for a change of trend. So we do need to watch the low of the current candle for a lower high and a lower low. Just looking at the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of this current first time frame uptrend that the market's been in for some time now, for more than a week, and looking at the relationship of that to the previous time the market was trending up. And here we've seen the market trade in a bullish manner through the 100% level, and that suggests that there is still potential for this market to trade higher, and the next target would be the 161.8% level at 1580. So still potential based on that for the market to trade to higher levels. But looking at the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansive mode of that. We trade in a bullish manner through that, and for 2 consecutive days now the market has tested just to the 161.8% level, and today we've been fairly strongly rejected from there, and that does suggest that there is good potential for a change of trend. And combined with the sellers taking control of this market and this potential bearish engulfing pattern, and it's also a potential tweezers top pattern, it does suggest that there is good grounds for a change of trend to occur. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in all 3 time frames. Bullish in the long-term time frames, the market is trading up above the cloud. Bullish in the medium-term time frame, the market's trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, and that Kijun-sen is pointing fairly flat, and a propensity for price action to be attracted back towards a flat Kijun-sen, and that's what we're seeing at the moment for today's candle. So let's watch for that potential lower high and lower low. And the market's also bullish in the short-term time frame by trading above the Tenkan-sen. The likely scenario here is that the market will test down towards these levels, and perhaps even just beyond the 1555, 1560 down to roughly 1554 level where the Tenkan-sen is trading. It should provide very solid support, and if we do see strong upside price rejection, then that could be a good sign that this market is going to bounce back and head back up on its way towards this 1576 level of resistance. If the market can trade up through there in a bullish manner, the next resistance would be the 1600 round number, but very, very solid support down below here, and the support extends in a zone down to around this 1540 level, and then we have solid support from 1530 down through to the 1523 area. But with this market being bullish in all 3 time frames and being confirmed by the Chica span, this sell-off is likely only to be minor. We do have the sellers now in control of the market, but watch support here around 1555 down to 1554 initially.